Hello everyone, welcome to my video, and today I'm gonna show you how to fix League of Legends high ping and lag spike error. To do so, we have to follow some steps. First of all, we have to close every application whichever consuming a lot of high bandwidth. To close the applications, we have to go to the taskbar and then go to the performance tab, then open the resource monitor. Then under the network tab, you will see which application is consuming high bandwidth. So after seeing it, we can select that application from CPU tab and then find the application, right click on it and end process. And the second step is basically you have to turn off your VPN, as VPN consume a lot of bandwidth. And the third step, I will recommend you to switching the DNS server we have. To do so, we need to find out the network connection in the start bar. Then you have to right click on the network connection whichever you are using. So basically people use Wi-Fi connection, which is why we're gonna right click on the Wi-Fi network and then go to properties, then select internet protocol version 4 and then choose use the following DNS server address. Choose the 8.8.8.8 in the alternative DNS server, the 8.8.4.4, then press OK. However, if it doesn't work, there is another step for which we can use some code. So to do that, go to CMD and run the app in administrator, as it will take a bit time. And we can use the following code, then use net sh winsock reset. So after that, basically you have to restart your computer, but I would suggest that before restarting your computer, do the next step and then do it. So to see the next step, let's move forward. We have to go to the start bar and go to the Windows firewall and then choose the advanced settings and then choose the inbound rules, then click on the new rules. There will be a window where you can see a port option. Click on it, then press next and use the following code written in the screen. Let me just copy and paste and press next. You have to click on next and then next again, and then you have to give any name, as we are doing this based on LOL, so I'm writing down LOL. So after this step, you can restart your computer and you will see your problem will be fixed of lag spike or delay. So if this video is really helpful to you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.